explain something about this pressurized air cooler. Before that, I would like to introduce myself. I am Selva and he is my friend Milton. And the other two persons, Mayandi and Suresh, are there to explain about the demonstration. Here, nowadays due to global warming and pollution, people feel very hot climate. So they need to make their living places as cool as they can. So that they go for air conditioners and air coolers. They buy it under a developed or popular brand names, and the cost will be very high, and they will be large in size, and they consume more power. In our projects, we consume the proposed model consumes very low amount of power, and it consumes less water. It is very small in size. It is essentially used compared with the other air coolers. Now let my friend to explain about its constructional details.
This is the construction for our project. Used for a few materials to available all places. Major material for the water storage tank and the air pressure compressor. Air pressure compressor, continuous pressure to given the water storage area. Then pressure tube connected to the bottom of the water storage area and the top of the needle. This needles used to water grow the copper grow the water. This fixed between the flower gun and the two small fans. This was used to small speed of the rotation to use outer side areas small air to flow. The flower fan speed is very high, used to high speed of the cooling air to the outside.
Let me explain about the working operation of this model. Here, the water bottle is halfly filled with water, and the pressure is supplied from the compressor. When the pressure is supplied to this water bottle, the water is pushed downwards. Then the water enter into the tube through this container. The water makes to fall on the copper bowler as droplets. When the water falls on it will be split into many more small particles, so that the temperature of the water is decreased automatically. Here, two processes are going there. One is the temperature of the water is decreased and the air temperature is also decreased, so that we don't need any other external sources to decrease the temperature of the water. That is the main advantage of this system. There is no other air conditioner that is used this kind of system. In other devices, they need to decrease the temperature of the water. That is main disadvantage, so that they need some external resources. But here there is no need to decrease the temperature of the water. When it comes down, the temperature of the water is decreased because of that is split into many more small particles, so that the water temperature is automatically reduced. And the mini motor is placed here, that makes the air flow from this direction to that direction, so that when the air particles passes through these water particles, the temperature of the air particles will be reduced. When a big droplet is trying to fall away, then the blower fan that is fixed here will not let it to go out. That will be again stored here. That water will not be wasted. That will be recycled. That will be again stored in this water bottle, so that this cycle will repeat it again. This mechanism is just copied from the nature itself. When the water falls from the mountain, when it falls from the upper region of the mountain to the lower region, the temperature of the water automatically decreased. Like the same wise, here also when the water falls from the upper region to the lower region, the temperature of the water reduced. So any other external devices is not needed. In this case, it is the main advantage. Here two processes are going down. One is the temperature of the air is decreased automatically, and the temperature of the water is also decreased automatically, so that there is no need for external devices. And this is very comfortable for industrials and home, and in homes we can also use. The power consumed by this will be very low. For this model, we spend about 2000 rupees. As I told earlier, it's very small in size and it consumes low power, and it uses the procedure that are not used by another air conditioner or any other companies. And the copper bowl that is used is also used for decreasing the temperature of the water. Thank you.